Hi guys, good morning, it's Mardu. So today is going to be a very special video because we're going to do a bedroom makeover for my university bedroom. So I moved in a couple of weeks ago, but I had to quarantine for 2 weeks. So I haven't really been decorating because I was still missing a few stuff, and I tried to order some stuff from IKEA, but the shipping is so expensive, so I just thought it would be better that I would go to IKEA itself and buy like the stuff. I always love decorating, and for me it's so important to have like a nice home space, and especially in COVID times when literally almost all of my classes are online and I'm gonna spend most of my time in this room. So I want to make it really cozy, and yeah, so let's get going to IKEA, you guys. So we got our stuff and now we're gonna go back with an Uber. So this is the situation right now, and we're gonna make the desk and put the mirror on already. Mirror is on! So we got the chair and we put the table, and yeah, I'm gonna have to put all my desk stuff on there. Hey guys! So me and Alex are gonna buy some plants for my room.
You were buying the plants, huh?
Yeah. So for my room, she's coming with me to support. And we're gonna buy some plants, so we found some good ones. So right now we're just walking through our neighborhood. Jane, standing over in a nightgown. She's got the phone call twisted around her finger. She's a sight to see. See Jane. So I think we're gonna get this plant. It's really cute. Okay guys, so we just bought this baby plant with this pot. It's so big, but it's gonna be so nice in the room. Hi guys, so it's a couple of days later and I'm kind of done with my room. For now, I think it's kind of done. Of course, like not fully, because I want to add like a few posters and some other decor is still missing. But you know what? You always find new decor pieces along the way. You can't just do a full room makeover just in one day. So yeah, let's get into the room tour, you guys. So when you walk in, this is kind of the overview, and I'm so happy. Like I get sunlight all day if it's a sunny day. I just love waking up to the sun shining. So when you enter my room, basically I have this really big mirror which I got from IKEA. Hi guys. And mirrors are definitely like important to brighten up the space. Then I have this drawer which was already in the room and it's super ugly, but to kind of make it pretty I added a plant which I bought from the Non-Head's Gardener here in London, a really nice gardening shop. And I have this tray with some ornaments, but I don't know, I just like the look of them. And then I also bought this little tray, this jewelry tray from Anthropology, and it keeps most of my jewelry in here. Then you get to my desk area. I put all my books here. So I here have all my notebooks, my study books, more notebooks and lots of paper to write on. And then I had bought this vase from IKEA, and I added some flowers. Flowers just make me really happy. But right now, most of them are not blooming yet, but they'll bloom soon. It will be really beautiful. And then right here, I have a little cacti and a candle. And then right here, I have some like more working stuff, and my desk lamp, which is from Casa. Then I have my laptop, my little planner, and some magazines. And yeah, of course, we have our laundry basket, and also my bin is underneath here. So we all need that, we're students. Then I have some decor here. So this room comes with a whole wall full of windows. So a lot of sunlight, which I love. Then right here, I have another drawer where I keep most of my clothes. And right here I have the big poster you saw in my last room tour as well. It's really nice to have my memories of my family and my high school experience. My parents gave this to me, and it's so nice. I love the spot here. Have some fake plants from Casa. Then I have this book. It's from Anthropology, and I love how it looks here. And these two mugs are from Anthropology as well. So then I have this shelf here. This was already here. It wasn't really stable, so I couldn't put any books on there. So I put my fake plants and my two cards, which are so beautiful. And then you get to my bed. This bed was already here as well, and literally it's so beautiful. It's so big. I'm not used to such a big bed. And I love the headboard. It's so pretty. I feel like a little princess in this bed. And yeah, so most of my bedding is from IKEA. So also the fairy lights are from IKEA as well. And then I have this blanket. I had it last time as well over my bed. This is from H&M Home. They have really nice blankets. So then moving over, we have the nightstand. Here I have a lamp from Casa, which is really, really nice. And it's gives like this yellow light. I like at night to have like coziness, and just the bright white light just doesn't fit for me. So also right next to it I have my books that I'm reading, and then also a candle, which is from IKEA as well. The nightstand is from Casa. So moving over, I have my clothing rack, and this came with the room as well. But I just put a few of my jackets and sweaters on here, and then I keep my bags here too. And there's some space for my shoes as well, which is really nice. Lastly but not least is my little memory wall. I had this on my closet in Garden's house, so in my UAL dorm, but right now I have it on my door, and I really like just before I leave to go and have a drink with some of my friends, or just before I leave to go to class, I just get to see all these memories that I've already done last year. I'm just going to keep adding on this because it's so nice to have like a little sentimental value to my room and just have like some memories on a wall. So this is the end of the room tour, and I'm actually so happy with my room. In the beginning it was quite plain, and I didn't really know how to take it on because it was missing still my table. So I was like really excited to see how it's going to look at the end, you know. And I really think I did a good job. Like, it really feels like my own room. And it's funny, right? Because all my flatmates, we moved in and we were like, oh my god, like how are we gonna make these rooms our own? And I feel like everyone did a really good job. And you can really see like your personality to each of our rooms. And this is really my personality. I like to have like more like modern and like plain as well, but like some elegance and some memories in there. And it really feels like home right now. Like, I wake up and I just feel like I'm at home, and that is such a good feeling because I have all my own classes online right now. So it was so important to create a room which was really mine and where I felt comfy and to work, and it really has become that. So I am super happy for this year and excited as well. So this is the end of the video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, see you guys soon. Bye.